Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you are all feeling happy, healthy and full of energy today. Now welcome to lecture 2. Today we are going to solve page number 27 of our computer book together step by step. So quickly open your computer books. Answer the following questions. Read question number 1 with me. Name the device used to take printouts. Which device gives us our pictures and text on real paper? Yes, it is a printer. Let's spell it together. P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Printer. Write printer on the line. Name the device which thinks for the computer. Which device acts as a brain of a computer and perform all the thinking? It is the CPU. Spell it out. CPU. Write CPU neatly on the blank line. Question number 3. Name the pointing device which shows the arrow on the screen. When we move this device on our desk, an arrow moves on the computer screen. What is it? Excellent. It is a mouse. Write mouse on the line. Now let's look at the middle activity. Name the parts of a computer. Look at this colorful computer setup. Each part is marked with the letter. Let's identify them one by one. Letter A points to the board with many small buttons. That is a keyboard. Write keyboard at line A. Letter B points to the screen that looks like a television. That is a monitor. Write monitor at line B. Letter C points to the main system unit box, which is the brain of the computer. Write CPU at the line C. Letter D points to the computer backup unit next to the CPU. This is a UPS. Write UPS at line D. Letter E points to the device holding a white piece of paper. That is a printer. Write printer at line E. Letter F points to the small oval pointing device on the pad. That is a mouse. Write mouse at line F. Letter G points to the device that plays sound and music. That is a speaker. Write speaker at the line G. Letter H points to the small device used to record voice. That is a microphone. Very good. Write microphone at line H. Great job. Now let's complete the final section. Circle the part of a computer that. Options are UPS, keyboard, mouse. Which one do we use to type letters and words? The keyboard. Draw a circle around keyboard. Question number 2 helps you to listen to music. Options are speaker, microphone, monitor. Which device plays audio so we can hear song? The speaker. Draw a circle around speaker. Question number 3 helps you to draw. Options are printer, keyboard, mouse. Which device helps us hold a pencil or paintbrush on screen? The mouse. Circle the word mouse. Question number 4 helps you to print. Options are keyboard, printer, microphone. Which device gives us hard copies on paper? The printer. Draw a circle around printer. Very good. You have successfully completed the entire exercise page. Your homework: check all your answers in your books. Make sure your spellings are correct and revise these terms at home. Thank you so much for attending lecture 2. Keep learning, stay safe and see you in our next class. Goodbye everyone.